what you think. I need no permission, did I mention? Don't pay him any attention. Cause you had your turn, and now you're gonna learn what it really feels like to miss me. Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on
it. It's unbelievable. I mean, I think her and Beyonce need to get together and do a dance.
Oh my god, I can't believe I get to do this with Beyonce. I can't wait to tell my mom. Okay, breathe, okay. Oh my gosh, and my eyebrows too pushy. Bam! Are you ready to do this? Beyonce, did you change it? Don't ask questions. Stacy, hit the music! Are you up? Let's dance. We're gonna see who better than this. Bam! Okay.
And in breaking news, Beyonce has requested a meeting with Shane Mercado. I guess they're going to do a remix video together. It's Single Ladies. Let's see how this one goes, folks.
I'll be gone. All the single ladies, 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 all the single ladies. Now put your hands up.
What?
I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
This is a stick up. I need them bags, all that money. Stick up. You see the mask, where that money? A diva is a female version of a hustler. Of a hustler. Of a hustler. A diva is a female version of a hustler. Of a hustler. Of a
It's comfortable.